For over 22 years, Rain Design has been creating award-winning laptop, tablet, and mobile stands that solve real ergonomic problems. Trusted by major companies like Apple, Google, Nike, Shopify, Spotify, Coinbase, Airbnb, Uber, and Pixar, our solutions work for everyone. Whether you're working or playing from home, studying in college, or in a professional office. Our products have been rated Best Laptop Stand by the New York Times, USA Today, Macworld, and GQ. Best Portable Laptop Stand by Wired and Forbes. Best MacBook Accessories by iPhone Life. If you're experiencing neck pain, shoulder tension, and poor posture from looking down at your screen all day, you're not alone. These issues affect your productivity, health, and overall well-being, but they don't have to. Let's explore how you can transform your workspace, starting with desktop solutions for your laptop. The original M stand elevates your laptop to perfect eye level with its iconic curved design. Made from solid aluminum, it provides excellent cooling and creates valuable storage space underneath for your keyboard. Need to share your screen with a colleague or friend? The M Stand 360 adds a smooth, 360-degree rotating base for easy collaboration, while maintaining all the ergonomic benefits you need. Everyone's different, and the eye level knows it. Simply drag the slider to adjust both height and angle precisely to your perfect ergonomic position. No tools needed. Working with an external monitor? The M Tower holds your MacBook vertically, creating the illusion of a floating laptop while taking up only a third of your notebook's footprint. Reclaim your desk space without sacrificing style or functionality. Need ergonomics wherever you go? Our portable solutions travel with you. The M-Bar Pro folds flat to slip into your bag and provides 3 inches of elevation wherever you work. Perfect whether you're a student studying in the library or a professional working from a cafe. The M-Bar Pro Plus takes portability further with 5.5 inches of elevation, giving you comfortable ergonomics whether you're in the office, traveling, or meeting with clients. Using your iPad for work, presentations, or entertainment? Flat tablets create uncomfortable viewing angles that strain your neck and eyes. The M Stand Tablet Plus adjusts from 10 to 50 degrees for comfortable viewing whether you're using your iPad for video calls, watching content, or as a point-of-sale system. Works with all iPad models and cases. Need even more flexibility? The M Stand Tablet Pro adds height adjustment for ultimate customization, perfect for varying desk heights and your personal viewing preferences. Even with a larger screen, your iMac at desk level can still cause neck strain and workspace clutter. The M Base is specifically designed for your 24-inch iMac with a perfect footprint that integrates seamlessly. The white aluminum body matches your iMac's bezel, keyboard, and mouse, and works beautifully with all 7 iMac colors. Keep your accessories organized in the built-in drawer, while the back outlet manages your cables perfectly. The transformation is immediate and dramatic. Better posture means you'll feel more energized, focused, and productive. Whether you're working from home, studying, or in a professional office, Rain Design Solutions deliver real results you can feel. Join thousands of satisfied customers who've transformed their work and play spaces with Rain Design. Experience reduced fatigue, improved comfort, and a better overall digital experience. Transform your work and play spaces with Rain Design's complete ergonomic solution lineup. Visit raindesigninc.com to find the perfect stand for your needs.